Sa mapagpalayang araw sa ating lahat, ako si Ginoong Jude Alfonso Ibanez, guro ng Agham Panglipunan sa APHS Senior High School Department at naririto tayo ngayon upang pag-usapan ang Public Display of Affection or PDA. So, ano nga ba ang Public Display of Affection or PDA? So, PDA is an outward expression of one's affection, one's feeling toward another. So, pag may PDA, meron tayong malalim na nadarama, meron tayong pagmamahal or love na nadarama towards one another. And usually, we express it through different body movements, body languages, such as, but not limited to, holding hands, hugging, and even kissing. So usually, these feelings are romantic, love, but it can also be platonic or friendly disposition, or even filial. Something like similar to a love for the family. Pero in most cases, kaso ng tanggap na konteksto nito sa maraming tao sa lipunan, it pertains to expression of romantic feelings toward a partner. That is public display of affection. This is prevalent among couples of all ages, including young couples, specifically yung mga students. Kaya minsan makakakita tayo ng mga students galing eskwelahan, lalakad, uwian, tapos magkahawak ang kamay. Or dalawang young couple sa isang cafe, one of the partners ay nakadantay sa shoulders or sa balikat ng isa. Display of public affection with both same and opposite sex is actually prohibited under the APHS Student Handbook. Considered itong major offense. And sa bawat committal ng offense na ito, may kaakibat na sanction. For first offense, there would be a conference with the parent of the students involved. Second offense, students involved will be placed under disciplinary probation. Third offense, automatic 70 sa deportment card.
Hi, my name is Marlon Donna Jr. from UMS 201, President and Team Captain of Angono Private High School Volleyball Team. Given na nga na maganda ang turo sa Angono Private High School, ina-encourage ko kayo na sumali sa extracurricular activities like sports, volleyball, badminton, basketball, and pwede rin kayo sumali sa Terpsichorean Guild and sa Choral. So dito, ito ay makakatulong na mahubog ang inyong social skills, ang inyong sportsmanship skills, and music and dance skills.
Act of service is part of our 5 love languages at ang meaning nito is pag-aasikaso o pag-aalaga sa iyong karelasyon. At ang mga example nito is pagluluto mo siya o pag-aanda at marami pa.
Gusto ko affirmation na isa pang alternative love language kung saan pwede mo express yung love and adoration mo for someone. Hindi lang siya for couples, pwede rin siya for friends and family. Ang example nito is yung pagsabi sa'yo ng friend mo or ng magulang mo na proud sila sa'yo. Hindi siya counted na pasalita lang. Pwede rin siyang pa-text, pa-email.
Gift giving is the act of presenting someone with a gift as a gesture of goodwill, appreciation, celebration, or love. It serves to strengthen social bonds, express gratitude, celebrate special occasions, and convey emotions that words might not fully capture.
Quality time o oras kalidad ay kabilang sa 5 love languages. Ang quality time ay pwede ring alternative way sa physical touch. Quality time is spending time with other people. For example is coffee date, studying together, playing online games together, and etc.
Physical touch refers to expressing or receiving affection through touch or physical closeness. For example, hugging, kissing, or holding hands in public.
Sino ba sila? Sabi ko, Trin, nandito na yan. Tatagal. Boring. Uy, Journey! Uy, kamusta? Okay lang. Oh, teka, order lang ako. Diyan ka na. Gerald, kunin mo na yung pagkain. Bakit tapos na yun?
Oh, ito na.
Wow, sarap naman ito.
Gerald!
Teka, deserve ko ba to?
Oo, ano ka ba? Deserve mo yan. Ang dami mo kayang effort para dyan sa ginawa mo.
Sige
Chill lang ako, ikaw ba? O, pengi ako ha.
Mom, sa mga masarap.
Ang sarap dito ha. Nakuha ko buksan natin ito. 50 lang to. Kamusta ka naman?
Uy, Journey, dahil birthday mo.
Oo nga pa naman. Birthday ka na. Di ba mahilig ka sa ano?
Oo nga pala.